Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these Instant Pot chicken tacos. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we're going to make some Instant Pot chicken tacos, and it's kind of like, I call it Instant Pot chicken tacos, but it's kind of like a salsa chicken, but just better. So we're going to get right into it. I've got my Instant Pot here, and we're going to add all of the ingredients to the Instant Pot. But I'm going to first start with the salsa. I'm going to use 1 cup of jarred salsa, and I'm going to add that to the pot first. I'm also going to add in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And with the salsa and the lemon juice and the juice from the chicken as they cook, that's going to be enough liquid for the Instant Pot. So now I'm going to add in 5 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I added 6 because one of those was kind of small. So now I'm going to season these with a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of cumin, and I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and some freshly ground black pepper. So now we're ready to cook them in our Instant Pot. I'm going to place the lid. And I'm going to make sure the valve is on sealing. And I'm going to cook these just for 10 minutes on high pressure. And when they're finished cooking high pressure for 10 minutes, I'm going to let them do a natural pressure release for 10 minutes. That means that when they're done cooking, I'm just going to let them sit for 10 minutes. And then I'm going to release the rest of the pressure with this vent. Okay, our chicken is finished cooking in the Instant Pot. So I'm gonna pull the chicken out. I'm gonna pull the chicken out onto this cutting board. And then I'm gonna reduce the liquid that's in the pot. And then I'm gonna add the chicken back to the pot. So there's quite a bit of liquid in here. I'm going to turn the Instant Pot on to saute, and I'm gonna let that boil. And while that is boiling, I'm gonna chop up this chicken. And it just falls apart really because it's so tender. Okay, we've got our salsa, or the juices from the chicken, nicely reduced. So I'm gonna put some of this juice and this reduction of sauce on top of the chicken that we cooked. That really just helps concentrate the flavors. So I'm gonna toss it in there. And that is some beautiful chicken meat for some tacos. So what you could do with this taco meat, chicken taco meat, is you can make a taco salad. You could do it, you put it over cauliflower rice. I've got some Carb Smart taco shells, and I cut them, so they'll be a little bit smaller. So let's just make some delicious keto tacos. Fill them up with lots of taco meat. Top them with some shredded cheese and some cilantro. I love cilantro, so I'll put lots and lots of cilantro on mine. And there you have it. We've got our Instant Pot chicken tacos. These are so delicious. The flavor is out of this world. Be sure you check out these other keto recipes here, and I will see you guys later. Bye.